This is your master class. I asked her, I went through the list. Does Brooklyn automatically put on seatbelt? She said yes. Does Brooklyn, let me go from here. Does Brooklyn maintain proper speed at all times? She said yes. Does Brooklyn maintain safe following distance, a minimum of a 3-second gap? No. Does Brooklyn identify, understand, and respond appropriately to traffic signs and signals? She said yes. Does Brooklyn demonstrate proper use of mirrors and checks before stopping and starting? No. Does Brooklyn understand different vehicle capabilities and effectively shares the road with all road users? Sometimes. Next, effectively manages risk in the dangerous driving environment, a neighborhood, a parking lot, where we are now. Demonstrates the ability to select the best gap and avoid hesitation. Does Brooklyn yield to pedestrians? So there's a lot of unanswered questions. But I'm taking you on this journey. And we're going to try to set up a date next week where I'm going to get the car to I-94, and then I'm going to drive with the hand controls, the spinner knob, the hand brake and gas thing, and we're going to practice merging. I'm going to merge out normally. Then I'm going to merge out slow like Brooklyn, I think she would. Then I'll merge out jerky like Brooklyn. Then I'm going to have the mirror properly adjusted. Brooklyn will lose a point if she doesn't check over her shoulder. She needs to attempt and check like a quarter of a turn. I think she can do that. And I think she says one thing to me, and then her mom and dad are the truth. So I need to ask these questions about mobility in front of her mom and dad, because I'm not saying she will say anything to me, but she will pass, but she's got to earn it. And she's got to be consistent. And that's what I want all of you to do, is earn it and be consistent, right? Up says 7 mirrors. If we look at it, there's 1 mirror here in the middle, 1 mirror to the left, that's 2. The third mirror is to the right, that's 3. I need to look at that. I need to find out how much she can turn. Because really on your test, you just need to turn here just to check, because my blind spot is like where that back door is. I just need to check, just demonstrate. Okay? Because I have everything right here. Okay? Her parents have shared her physical therapy report. I'm sharing the road test. This is public knowledge. But I'm holding her to the high standard, and I should. I need all of you to subscribe, because I want us to continue to join Brooklyn's journey. I need all of us to pray for a moment for Brooklyn's mental health and safety, because it is real out here. Her parents are concerned, can Brooklyn do this on her own? If Brooklyn goes off the road, will she undercorrect, overcorrect? There's a lot of things to think about. And I really have to think carefully and be consistent. There are a lot of people coming in and around me, and I don't like people coming in and around me because I feel like I'm smothered. Okay? I feel a little claustrophobic. Like Brooklyn driving in downtown Detroit, downtown Manhattan, New York, the mecca of it all, downtown Chicago. We need to see her when she's overwhelmed in a safe and controlled fashion. Because a lot of you just see these instructional videos when there are only a few cars around. A lot of you see these instructional videos when there are 4, 5, 6 cars around. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars. A semi-truck behind it. Could Brooklyn merge up with a semi-truck? Don't know. Could Brooklyn stop if there's a huge backup? Don't know. Because she has a restricted license. So we need to try to simulate her driving, and my license is not restricted. So I need to have her give me feedback so I can show her what that feels like. Okay, it's like us being in Brooklyn shoes with those hand crutches. arm crutches. Okay? It's like Brooklyn jumping into the car and she hits the gas and the thing backs up real fast out of the driveway. You feel like you're about to hit a car. But that's how her hand controls are. It's not hers, her hand controls.